Hey there, beauty lovers. Are you overwhelmed by the endless shades of lipstick out there? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today I'm going to break down how to choose the perfect lipstick shade based on your skin tone. First things first, let's talk about skin tones. You can have cool, warm, or neutral undertones. So, how do you figure out which one you have? Here's a quick tip. Take a look at your complexion in mixed indoor lighting while wearing a neutral shirt. For cool undertones, your complexion might have bluish, pink, or reddish hues. If you're warm-toned, you'll notice yellow, golden, or peachy shades. And if you're neutral, your skin will have a balanced beige without obvious overtones. Alright, now that you've identified your master skin tone, let's move on to undertones. Think of undertones as the subtle glow beneath your skin's surface. Here's a handy trick. If you tan easily and gold jewelry looks better on you, you're likely warm. If you burn before you tan and silver jewelry pops, you're cool. And if both look fabulous, congratulations, you're neutral. Now for the fun part, finding your perfect lipstick shade. If you have cool undertones, go for reds, cherries, and berries. These shades will give your complexion that extra zing, but steer clear of oranges and purples. If you're warm-toned, earthy browns, peaches, and corals are your best friends. They'll enhance your natural warmth and give you that radiant glow. But maybe skip those bright pinks and purples. Neutral beauties, you're in luck. You can rock a wide range of colors, from nudes to pinks to berries and browns. Experiment and have fun with it. Now, let's talk finishes. Matte, sheer, stain, mousse, liquid butter, gloss, satin, lacquer, shimmer. The list goes on. Your finish can make a big difference in how your lipstick looks and feels. For instance, glossy finishes can make your lips appear fuller, while matte gives a bold, sophisticated look. But here's the most important tip of all. Choose a lipstick that makes you feel confident. At the end of the day, the best lip color is the one that makes you feel fabulous. So there you have it. Your ultimate guide to finding your signature lip color. Don't forget to share your favorite shades in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty tips. Thanks for watching. And until next time, stay beautiful.